All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're not back inside our Unreal project right now. I figured I'd just take the morning to go through some code with you since I haven't coded in a while with you guys. So I do have some code here I just put together. It took about 15, 20 minutes, but I just wanted to show you the complexity of this code here. It looks simple, but the range of outputs that we can get from this small 52 line code is very wide. Let me get in to show you what I mean. So first and foremost, let me bring this up so we can get a full screen. We're gonna start simple. This is a script that I put together myself, just something like a little automated script. I'm gonna show you the power of Python and what it can do with different pieces of code. So this is it here. You can see the prompts. Let's start with this one here. See what it does. Returns nothing. We'll run the same question again. This time we'll give a different answer. See what happens. So you see here. Okay, let's say yes again. You see what happens. Okay, we're getting a new response. It looks like that got us that. Now we'll try to change it up a little bit more and see what happens again. So this time we'll say yes, and then we'll say no at this point, and then we'll see. Okay, so let's see what happens when we say yes here. We can see. Okay, it looks like we generated a new response, and we have the new outputs. So let's do it again, and we're going to try some more variations. And again, this is all coming from that 152 line code that I showed you, all of the different variations that we're about to go through. So let's keep going. So we have this one here. I think we did this one. Let's do this time again. So let's say I don't know here and see what happens. So we have that. There's a new question. So let's see what happens if we say no. So we have that there. We got a new response again. So it seems like whatever choice we make, there's a different output for the choice we're making. It seems like there are different variations or a bunch of different variations just from that 52 line code. So we're gonna do this one. We'll do that again. We'll say no again. We'll say no again. We'll say I don't know again. Let's say yes this time and see what happens. Let's say something like and let's see what we get from that. Okay, it looks like it's generating some things, something new. Okay, okay. As you can see, now we generated the entire text. So it looks like we have about 3 or 4, 5 different conversations that we can have just based off that 52 line code that I showed you. All different outcomes with different inputs that we input inside of the response brackets that we have. And again, like I said, it's just because I haven't coded with you guys in a few that I just wanted to show you, walk through the simple code. And again, it's just to remind you of what we can do with Python. It was a simple script, but you can see the variations and the different things that we could do with something like this. And I put this together in about 25, 30 minutes. And again, it all looks automated, which it is. But again, it's just behind the scenes stuff that Python is capable of. And that's why I fell in love with it. I'm not going to lie with you. So, yeah. But of course, I will be doing some Unreal Engine tonight. I just want to take the time out to do some actual coding with you guys so we don't get lost in the development of the game world. Let you know that we are still very much coding behind the scenes, and that is the main goal. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, it's the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.